Oh my god, that is... Bro. Yeah, so this is the 2025 Lexus GX550 over trail. Ooh, look at this pearl, man. That's crazy. So I literally just got this delivered 20 minutes ago, and I have not driven it because I wanted to save the first experience for this video. I've been hyping it up for the past 3 videos, but this is the Porsche 718 Cayman GTS replacement. Okay, we made it. Let's hop in, I guess. Oh, bro. Okay, let's start it up. Oh, yeah. Yo, you see that heads-up display? That's crazy. The visibility is insane. Bro, that's like... That's the next block. Bro, cars have apps now? That's crazy. Can I just fucking drive the car, dude? Oh, okay, so we can do cooled seats. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so now this is actually my very first time driving this car. Cameras are nice. Oh, this is the lowest the seat goes. Bro, my seating position's the lowest it can be. I'm like 10 feet tall on the road. I don't know how to fix the HUD or the heads up. Actually, we'll go straight and we'll try to figure out the HUD. Okay, let's figure out how to move the HUD. How do I move the... No, I'm not talking to you. Is there a setting I can do? Driving assist, probably. Okay. All this technology is overwhelming me right now. Nope, not adaptive. Okay, this is actually frustrating me right now. Oh, that's cool. Okay, yo. What the f... Just give me something about the heads-up display. Vehicle customize. Okay, so we gotta go to... Oh, vehicle customize. Head-up display. And then... I can... Alright, let's see the turning radius. This is full lock. And we can't make a U-turn. There's a car coming too. Oh, yo, okay. So I thought the car was gonna be too slow, but this is faster than my E46. What's that green thing? What's the green thing? Oh, I'm on eco mode? How do I change the mode? Dog. Oh, okay, now we're in comfort. All right, so I haven't had my coffee yet, so we're gonna go get some coffee and see how it handles a drive-thru. Oh, brakes are really good. Whoa, if you are a short king, get yourself a truck. This is insane. I've never felt this tall in my life. I think this is how NBA players feel. How does it know that there's a no U-turn sign? Is there a camera up here? It's not soaking up the bumps as well as I expected it to, even though, you know, like I watched the reviews. They all said that like it's an off-road vehicle. It's not gonna be as compliant as maybe an SUV like that, but okay, now let's try ordering some Starbucks.
Hi, can I just get a grande iced Americano?
Grande iced Americano, okay.
And that'll be it.
And that'll be it. Alright, that'll be $4.25 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. That's cool.
Would you like a stroll today?
I'm good, thank you.
You got it. You have a great day.
Have one. I've never been in a drive-thru where I was eye level with the cashier. That's kind of insane. All right, now let's just try driving around in this thing and see how it handles. I saw a lot of people on the internet talking about how most of the buyers of this car aren't gonna use it for its intended purpose, which is off-roading. And I can confidently tell you that we will be one of those people. We are probably not gonna go off-roading anytime soon. And we're just gonna use it like a regular family SUV. And if you have a problem with that, you have a problem with that. We had a Porsche Cayman GTS and we never took it to the track. We're not taking this car off-roading, okay? But who knows, maybe I'll be able to take it off-roading at some point with my cousin or my friends. I'd love to do that, but you have to understand that this isn't my car and I have to ask permission to do that to my older sister and my mother. My mom's cool, but my older sister is a little bit different, okay? But anyways, because it's an off-roading vehicle, I guess, I'm definitely noticing a lot more. I don't know the technical terms, so don't quote me on this, but I'm definitely noticing a lot more just bouncing as we're just going over the slight imperfections in the road. It's kind of like this, right? Is it called rebound? I don't know. There's a lot of rebounding. It's not like we didn't expect it. However, being that this is the first off-roading vehicle that I've driven, it's just something I'm noticing, especially coming from performance cars and BMWs. Let's see how it handles a turn. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I don't know if the camera's doing a good job showing this, but I'm so high off the ground, bro. It's crazy. Like that's a regular SUV, maybe a compact SUV, and I'm 2 stories above it. Visibility is all around just magnificent. I actually like the seats too. This is nice. I think the crazy thing I'm noticing about this car is the steering feel. Like, bro, I don't know how they did it, but I actually feel the road through the steering wheel. Maybe it's because like road feel is important for off-roading, but this is actually insane. As the road surfaces change, I feel the change. I feel the difference through the steering wheel. I guess it makes sense, because if you're going off-roading, you want to know what's going on with the tires through the steering feel, but I just never expected that. I didn't know that was a thing. There's so much visibility. All right, let's see the overtaking capabilities. Oh yeah. It's not a slow car. Ooh. That's not a bad sound. You know, now I'm realizing, like, I talked a lot of shit about performance cars and just talking about why you don't need one per se, but I think that was a very out of touch perspective. Before we got this car, I was really excited and I was talking to my girlfriend and talking about how, who knows, I might really like this car and I might no longer be into sports cars, but yeah, that's not happening, is it? Like, this is cool, but it literally just feels like I'm commuting. It's not really special. It's a cool car, I think. The brakes are amazing. And it's funny because like everything I'm talking about in terms of the car are like the brakes, the steering feel, the suspension. And I don't think those are the things that you should be talking about when you're referring to an off-road SUV. You know, you want to talk about the other capabilities of the car. But I'm kind of reviewing this car as like a performance car, which is kind of unfair. As of right now, I'm still leaning towards my E46. And, you know, it's just like every single new car I drive, it just confirms in my... What? Like... What? Why do they add this dumb-ass technology? Should we just try manual mode? There's another GX550. Hello, my friend. See how it gets up to speed? Yeah, acceleration is not sloppy at all. Wow. And we're up to speed. Definitely a little bit more wind noise than expected, especially from here. But in terms of just highway passing capability, this is great. Engine braking is a lot stronger than I expected. Oh no, there's just some fucking driver assistance going on right now. Oh, they're all on, okay. Look at this. Look at this, dude. Look at this. Look at this. I'm sorry, that was kind of an asshole move, but that's kind of what this car is too. Yeah, this thing feels much better with the systems all off. I didn't really understand what people meant by like all this new technology is kind of annoying, but I get it now. The technology is fucking obnoxious. Like that, like we don't need all this. Very solid. What's really annoying now that I turned everything off is it's just constantly giving me those notifications that blind spot monitor off, rear cross traffic alert off, safe exit. This person has a whole ecosystem on the back of their car. I'm sure I'll have more to say about this car once it's broken in and I've just lived with it for a while, but you'll definitely see more content with this car in the future now. So she's here, and in the next video I will finally be driving this thing. Now let's try to fit both cars in the garage as close to the edge as possible. Okay, we got room here. Cars. Got. Yeah, we got space here. Okay, cool, cool. Still got space to get in. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Looks like a stormtrooper. So pretty.